For today, the goal is going to be to rip out this carpet so that the ladies can wallpaper this wall. And then I am going to try to start the shiplap for the backboard. Alright, here we go.
Dry for a good few days. I have found the downfall of spray painting. You see, if you don't go lightly, or you rush it, or it's too hot, or you use too much, you get these bubbles in your paint. I don't care too much on these fixtures that you're only gonna see from that far away. I had it all over my sink because I went over it so many times. The fix for that now is to stand and scour with like a little Brillo pad, touch it up with a little bit of paint, and remind myself, go easy. My hands make me look like I'm a mechanic. We're roughing it out here.